Hello. Today let's see about the project manager related to Agile, Scrum, and increment. All this management methodology related to project management. We have searched about results about the Scrum Master, Agile project manager. Let's see one by one. First, this is the operation released by ATT Infosoft private companies. Let's check about the role and the responsibility. This is project management operation. The goal is set goals and drive the team to achieve. Achieve is objective by leading the team effectively and efficiently. Effectively.
Effectively.
And efficiently.
Efficiently.
Yes, efficiently. Operation planning and costing. Plan and manage operation resource and ensure that all operational activity in project software and maintenance are getting done based on company's objective, operational goal and customer requirements. Maybe I need the right camera. Okay, much better. Okay, much better. And customer requirements. Crisis management, able to reassign resources from relevant work scope and develop effectively with when issue authorized. Cost control measure for the project budget. Establish a clear objective on cost control measures when it comes to operation. For example, labor cost, equipment, subcontractor in terms of purchase relating to project maintenance and research and development works. Next line, operation problem solving purpose reliable solution based on leverage or knowledge between products and service, able to quickly identify problem with the root cause and analysis and recommend a solution where it added value or shorter lead time and more robustness or robustness. New product development. Engage with the technical team to understand the to understand the product and assist in early involvement in the product development in the product developing any aspect of technical capability. Manpower planning, handling staffing requirement and manage staff performance. Review operational procedure and develop a set of policies and guidelines that are integrated and align with the company's long-term goals. Continue monitor and improve the overall performance of the operation. Be a positive role model. And lead to his fellow
Subordinates.
To his fellow subordinates. Periodically follow up the management team to ensure goals are being met and get guidance in the removal of any obstacles that are preventing their completion. Develop excellent internal and external relationships with shareholders to achieve new ideas and procedures to keep pace with industry standards and methods. Ensure training is provided and work with the training group to assist in developing training materials as required. Keep employees' technical knowledge up to date and propose training plans for each team member. Ensure that all of the issues are well matched to the capability of the individuals within the team. I think maybe the coordinator role, but not the Scrum Master focused on the development. Okay, let's see the project management. Lead the team in implementation and uploading good project management principle and practice for project system design, equipment installation, configuration, testing, and commission. Implement and ensure proper project management discipline, structure, and process to drive scope estimation, prioritization, and developers and the delivery of the project. I think maybe this is belong to the project manager. Next line. Manage client expectations and ensure proper scope management. In charge of managing and handling the implementation of successful system integration project. Communication, product development, and technical advisors, and technical activity to sales teams and customers. Liaise and coordinator with the technical team, support subcontractors and customers with regard to the implementation of the project. So I think maybe the most tired working is done by the Scrum Master, not by the project manager. I think maybe the subcontractor and customer communication daily routine may be done by the PM, at least the PM officer. Responsible for overall project budgets, monitor and control cost, ensure the effective and efficient expenditure. Efficient.
Monitors and controls cost, ensuring the effective and efficient expenditure of allocated funds.
All of this is paperwork. Cost control the effective and efficient expenditure of allocated funds. Let's see the business support. Provide technical assistance to the sales team and the general manager in preparation of the quotation and the government
tenders.
Coordinate closely with the internal sales and technical experts to align solution design with customers' business requirement. Create business opportunity and sales inquiries for company's growth. Managing customer expectation, building strong relationship with customer to understand their needs and the requirement to be able to purpose solution. Provide relevant market intelligence to management to identify potential business opportunities. Provide relevant market intelligence. Provide relevant market intelligence to management to identify potential business opportunities. How seems like the ChatGPT translate all of this documentation. Training and development. Training ensure work-related training is provided and coordinated with HR to assist in development or training training materials as when it is required. Seems all of this working is done by the assistant by the project manager. Maybe the project manager, project assistant has the ability to do all of these things because this is not focused on the project management not focused on the technical, not focused on the sprint, Scrum, and cannot handle on the storyboard, cannot handle on the Scrum, the sprint, every detailed tasks is not mentioned. But I think maybe all of these key tasks is handled by the PM, but the routine daily working is done by the Scrum Master. I think this is maybe not very reliable. Okay, let's see next line. Competency management. Competency management keep employees' technical knowledge up to date and propose training plan for each team member. Ensure that all of these issues are well matched to the capability of the individual within the team. But I want to know what is the knowledge, what is the training schema, who will write down all of this documentation or the manual, who will responsible for these detailed tasks, and next slide. Develop a clear successor with the group, coach, and mentor. Coach and mentor to develop skills needed as a successor. Safety management lead, promote, and ensure the team follows safety management system and work procedures Let's see the work experience and the requirements. Minimal 7 years of relevant experience. Degree in computer science, information technology, engineering, or equivalent. Certificate PMP, Agile, or Scrum Master participant.
Practitioner.
Scrum Master participation.
Practitioner.
Scrum Master practitioner. Scrum Master practitioner with at least 3 years of practical implementation preferred. Handling IT system, queue management system, visitor management system, or payment system is advanced. Is an advantage. This is queue management system, so easy. Visitor management system or payment, maybe there is visitor parker or other systems related to queue, visitor, and payment. Just for the ticket, for example, the online payment, and for the ticket, the video, all of these movies, and for the garden, all of these ticket systems. Okay, formula in networking and various operation systems such as DOS, Windows, and Linux. DOS, oh yeah, DOS. Knowledge in software solutions. For example, JavaScript, Servlet, HTML, Ajax, JavaScript, XML, Tomcat, JRunction is an advantage. Strong budgeting, leadership, and material ability to lead and manage the shareholders. Excellent writing and verbal communication skills and essential for collaboration with various levels of management. Technology focused, self-motivated, and proactive in problem solving. Team player and can work with minimal supervision. Okay, let's see another job. It is named to Information Technical Scrum Master Financial Systems. This work is released last month, and we will close and continue for 1 month recruiting period. It is so interesting because the minimal and the highest salary is twice. They have 24 applicants, Okay, let's see the job description. Responsible for supporting SIA Group financial suite of systems. Part of team that will be responsible for implementation of new system, including S4 HANA and other systems released by SAP. As part of financial transformation roadmap for SIA Group. SIA, it is not SIA. Yes, SIA. Singapore Airline, global airline companies. SIA. It is SIA. Develop deep hands-on functional expertise on configuring S4 HANA and other financial systems, including integration. Perform Scrum Master role for multiply squad and assist the
Squads.
multiply scores and assist the scores by removing any impediments by moving any impediments, improving teams throughput and achieve timely deliveries. Handle product backlog. Handling product backlog, comprising of functional improvement, new enhancement, and technical data. DBT.
Impediments. Dead.
That. Let's check on translation on Google.
Debt.
Okay, that. For example, security patching. Yes, it is technical debt. Technical debt, such as, for example, security patching, software version control, and application roadmap. Application roadmap is technical debt, because I think in technical we see the bugs and the software performance, such as database tuning, software bug, and software version control is that about the technical debt, but not the application roadmap. Application roadmap is a very important, significant meaning for the software system, because you cannot easily to construction or conduct a roadmap for the software systems. If you build a new roadmap for the software structure, so all of this done working should be rebuilt and recompiled. Okay, technical debt for applications and products under your charge. Perform subject matter expert (SME) roles. Perform subject matter expert roles. Lies with SI Group internal teams, vendors for changes to impact applications and multi-timeline completion. Support end-to-end system integration, testing, and plan, including documenting test scenarios. Perform the role of a business analyst. Perform the role of a business analyst. Yes. Scrum Master. Perform the role of a business analyst by defining and analyzing business requirements, with business process being reviewed for improvements and enhancements. Manage the overall delivery of IT projects. Anticipate your potential issues that might impact the project. Track and report project status to project steering committees. This is 项目委员会
Steering committees.
steering committees.
Steering committees.
Steering committees anticipate any potential issues that might anticipate any potential issues that might impact the project. Anticipate any potential issues that might impact the project. Track and report project status. Track and report project status to project steering committees.
Steering committee.
Steering committees.
Steering committee.
Steering committee. Steering to project steering committee. Ensure that the process and procedures are followed for audit and for security compliance continually streaming and optimize the application and the products to reduce incident and improve reliance and the cost of ownership. Continually streamline and optimize the application and the products to reduce incident and improve resilience and improve
Resilience.
and improve resilience and cost of ownership. Continually track industry and IT trends in the financial domain. Identify suitable area and innovation opportunities. For potential adoption by business. Any relevant ad hoc duties. This is an individual contributor role. Oh, this job seems very good. Note: you could be posted to any subsidiary in SIA Group.
Subsidiary.
You could be posted to any subsidiary in SIA Group. Let's see the requirements. You should possess a degree in information technology or related fields, experience in Agile framework and handling major projects, prior hands-on functional experience in handling S4 HANA, invoice automation, and other financial systems.
Prior
hand-on functional experience in handling S4 HANA, invoice automation, and other financial systems. Experience in business consolidation. Experience in business consolidation and budgeting and planning will be advantaged. Good financial domain knowledge. Experience in managing IT systems and projects in the financial domain. Experience in managing IT systems and projects in the financial domain. Ability to translate business needs into technical solutions. Strong critical thinking and Scrum Master skills. Team player with good interpersonal skills. Okay, this job seems some good. Okay, let's see something more for the second job. Yes, also this company. Okay, let's see this job. Information technology, Scrum Master, HR successor factor. What is the successor? Successor. Should be a space.
Success factors.
Success factors. Global. The same company, different job. Let's see the job description. SI has embarked on a human resource HR transformation project to implementation success factors SF SaaS HR platform suite covering core HR, learning, time management, talent management, recruitment, and onboarding. Core HR and learning was implemented for head office under phase 1. In the next phase, we will be implementing remain models and roll out to overseas covering 30 countries. The candidate will have an opportunity to be part of the team involved in the global rollout of a large-scale transformation project in comprising all SF models. SF Singapore, not Singapore Airline, all SF models. SF maybe success factors or SF models. Responsibility. Let's see this sentence again. The candidate will have an opportunity to be part of the team involved in the global rollout. Involved in the global rollout of a large-scale transformation project encompassing all SF models. Okay, let's see the responsibility. Be part of the IT team that is responsible for the implementation of HR platform together with the appointed systems integrator and the product vendors. Will be in charge of functional and technical aspects, including integration with SIA systems and data migration. Develop deep hands-on expertise on configuring success factors and code integration script using. Search this is on Google. This is the SAP model. SAP success factor. Okay. Developers deep hands-on expertise on configuring success factors and code integration scripts using native successor factors capability and SAP Cloud Platform integration. Lies with SIA internal teams for changes to impact applications and monitor timely completion. Support end-to-end system integration testing and plan, including documenting test scenarios. Perform Scrum Master role and assist the squared by removing and impediments by removing any impediments and improve teams throughput and achieve time deliveries. Throughput and improve teams throughput and achieve time deliveries. Develop deep domain expertise on HR application field. Develop deep domain expertise on HR application field. Provide advice as a subject matter expertise for the application when required. Provide advice as a subject matter expertise. Provide provide advisor as a subject matter expertise SME, subject matter expertise for the application. Handling new enhancements and post-implementation application support for modules that have been implemented, including integration, application, audience, and landscape review for the HR suite of applications. Lines with the product vendors to push for SIA requirements to be incorporated in the product roadmap. Continually streamline and optimize the HR application suite to optimize the HR application suite to reduce incident and improve resilience. And improve resilience and cost of ownership. Ensure the process and procedures are allowed for audit and enforce security compliance. Continue track industry and IT trends in HR domain and identify suitable areas and innovation opportunities for potential adoption by business. Continue track industry and IT trend in HR domain and identify suitable areas and innovation opportunities for potential adoption by business. Any relevant ad hoc duties. This is an individual contribution. This is an individual contributor role. This is requirements. Degree in information technology or related fields. Experience in Agile framework and handling major projects. Must have prior. Must have prior hands-on functional and development experience in success factors models. Experience must have prior. Must have prior hands-on functional and development experience in success factor models, including SAP Cloud Platform integration and data migration. Experience in local country specific requirements and integration with SAP ECC, SF, EC, payroll for Singapore will be added advantage. Functional experience in all areas HR domain. Experience in managing IT systems and projects. Ability to translate business needs into technical solutions. Strong critical thinking and Scrum Master skills. Team player with good interpersonal skills. Okay, this is today's recording, and let's close the recording. Thank you.